Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show and tell how to send a high quality video to WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go with you to WhatsApp. Then open the chat. Press plus. Select photo and video. Select video. Send. If we send like this, the quality will be much lower and bad. If you want to send a video in good quality, you have to go to the gallery. Then select the video. In the bottom left corner, click Share. Select Save to Files. Then select the folder we want to move it to. I choose the iPhone option. I press Save, then I exit. I reopen WhatsApp. I press the plus sign in the bottom left corner. I select Document. Then I select the folder Mute iPhone and select this video. Then I press Open. Now I'm opening the file. I press Send, and as you can see it's sending. And now when it sends we won't lose quality. And the quality will be much better than it was on this video. So that's how easy it is to send high quality videos to WhatsApp. If you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.